Okay, now that you're logged in, I'm going to show you a quick way just to add images to your page. And basically, all these tools, pretty much when you roll over them, they will give you a little tooltip of what exactly they're for. And the one that's most important, at least I think so anyway, will be the toggle full screen mode, because when you click on it, it actually makes that box a lot bigger and it enters full screen so you can actually see what it is you're doing without having to do everything inside that little box and keep scrolling. But anyway, so once you get on that and click the toggle full screen and get into here, basically all your information's here when you started. And you don't want to delete any of this stuff, so basically you can change anything you like, but you just want to make sure you keep all this stuff in here and don't delete it, because it has the pledge form download link and email link and the donate button, of course, which is very important, along with your flyer. But I mean, you can come in here and make things bold and italicize and add links, do whatever you want to do, which is totally fine. Just make sure you don't delete it. But anyway, alright, so let's say we want to add a picture. So we'll go down here and on the bottom, just click anywhere down here, and once you do that, you go ahead and hit enter and it starts a new paragraph. Now to add the image, you just want to come up to this tool, which is the add image tool, and a box will appear in the middle of the screen. Now it tells you pretty much everything you need to know, but probably everybody's going to have the file on their computer, so you just want to go ahead and click select files, and it'll open up your pop-up to where you actually need to navigate to where your image is. So you just go ahead, find it, click on it, hit select. Once you do that, it's going to open up in here like so, and this is an image of Josh Hamilton. I don't know if everybody knows who Josh Hamilton is, but he's actually a Major League Baseball player. Well, he's my favorite Major League Baseball player. But anyway, so you can go ahead and title your image to whatever you want, and then you can pretty much just put any description, or I'm sorry, caption in here. Description really doesn't matter at this time, but if you put a description in here, I will show you what exactly happens. So basically, it'll have a URL to where it's uploaded at, and alignment to the page is none, but you can left, center, right, obviously. And then let's say your image was gigantic and you didn't know how to scale it down. You can actually control it through these tools down here, but I'm just going to keep mine at full size, and then you just go ahead and click this, which is insert to post, and there it is. And this was the caption that I was talking about. It actually added it right below here, and you can edit this if you want. But it just puts it in itself. But you could also add the caption like it is down here, just putting it right underneath, just hitting enter and typing in text right here, like so. So anyway, that's how you add an image, and then you just want to go back here and untoggle the full screen mode, and you want to make sure to hit update page to save your changes. And once that is saved, you go ahead and hit preview, and it'll jump to the preview portion of the site, and as you'll see, there's my image and there's the text I added, and everything is good to go. The one thing I will show you too, let's say you found out you made a mistake. If you go back in here and you want to change it to something, you can just click right on the picture there, and that's to delete it obviously, but there's that little button there that actually takes you back into this box, and it's a little bit different now, but there's a different edit image. You can actually just put all the text and stuff in here, but if you go to these advanced settings, you can actually do a bunch of different things and add a border, add spacing, all kind of stuff. So this stuff is probably what nobody's really going to care about, but just so you know, it's in there. And there you go, that's how you add an image.